Hey, what's up, guys? In this course, I'm going to be showing you basic subtractive synthesis. Subtractive synthesis is taking rudimentary sound shapes and sculpting them with a filter to enhance or get rid of higher harmonic frequencies or other kind of content to change the timbre. And we're going to be going over quite a bit. And by the end of this, you'll be able to pick apart presets and see exactly what's going on. So I want to start off with a basic synthesizer overview and what kind of happens within it. And we're going to be using a diagram here just for a little bit. So what a VST does is it receives MIDI information, MIDI note information from your keyboard, and that tells the oscillator what pitch the sound should be. So, it's right what pitch it should be, and that can be a number of shapes, which we'll get into. That goes into the amplifier section, which gives the sound volume. It also gives a sound. It can give it attack or like a longer release, which we'll get into, and makes it nice and neat. And then into the filter section, and the filter section is carving the sound out, right, to get rid of that content to create different timbres. And then the audio goes out. That's very, very basic, and I'll run it through again in Sylenth, and I recommend you use Sylenth because it's an excellent kind of program to learn on. So we have our oscillator section, right, producing the sound, going into the amplifier section to give the sound, to control the sound, to open the sound, etc. And then to the filter section, right? And then audio out through a mixer, the VU meter, right? So sound, it's MIDI coming in, going into an oscillator, to the amplifier, to the filter, right? And just for the sake of ease, this is all you need to focus on right now. So get comfortable. You have your different shapes, etc. But just understand oscillator, amplifier, and filter section, and then output section, right? And you have your two oscillators here, right? You have more than one, and they both go into the amplifier. So remember that. Drill that into your head, then filter stage, and then out, okay? And I'll be back with a more of an advanced signal path, and I'll show you what everything does.